I'm flying out to Singapore to watch the Formula 1 Grand Prix, and I need to pack. So let's go. Hey guys, it's your boy Milos, back with another video. And if it's your first time here, welcome to the channel. I'm a college student in the Philippines, an aspiring videographer, photographer, and content creator documenting my journey along the way. And today, I will be preparing to fly out to Singapore to watch the Formula 1 Grand Prix. Yeah, I'll be spending 4 full days there, and this is everything that I'll be packing. Let's start off with the pants. First, I'll be bringing these Levi's 513s, black denim. These actually used to be my dad's, but he gave them to me because it doesn't fit him anymore. Thanks, Pap. But yeah, what can I say about this? Black jeans go with anything. They look good, they feel good. In fact, they make me look taller than I actually am, which is a huge plus. So yeah, Levi's 513s. Next up, I got these H&M beige denim cargo shorts. I actually got these in my Malaysia trip. I'll link that series up here and down below. Please check it out. It's a really fun series. But yeah, I got these when I was there. I'm not really a shorts wearer, but when I tried these out, I fell in love instantly. They felt really good and they just look really good on me. So I'm bringing these. They're versatile and they go well with everything. And lastly, I got this pair of black cargo shorts, also from H&M. My mom got me these. They feel really good. They're baggy. They go well with everything. They're lightweight. They're actually lighter than the denim shorts and the pants that I showed you. So they're more breathable. The only downside is they have fake back pockets, which is why I'm bringing extra bags. I'll show you that in a bit. I'm bringing both pants and shorts because Singapore is a warm country, but when I check the weather forecast, it might rain while I'm there, so I want to be ready for any situation. Moving on to the shirts. For this trip, I'll be packing these 2 shirts, my Petronas AMG Mercedes Formula 1 team, and my Aston Martin Formula 1 team jersey. These are actually not official F1 merch, but they just look really cool, really dope. I also got these in Malaysia. I'll link it up here. In Petaling Night Market or Chinatown. They look really good. Got them for a great price. For Mercedes, my favorite driver is Kimi Antonelli for this season. For Aston Martin, Fernando Alonso. Together with that, I'll also be bringing this Red Bull Racing jersey. This is official F1 merch. My family got this when they went to Singapore a few months ago. There was a little pop-up shop that was selling official F1 merch in one of the malls. And they were selling this when we converted it 1,500 Philippine pesos. So it was automatically a buy. My dad even got one also to match. This is the 2024 Texas Grand Prix Red Bull Racing jersey. Looks really good. This year actually, Texas comes after the Singapore Grand Prix. I'll be bringing this also. And other than the jerseys, I'll also be bringing 3 plain t-shirts. Gray, black, and white. All from H&M. Just in case one of the days I'm not feeling like wearing a jersey. And also serves as an undershirt for one of the jackets that I'll be bringing. Speaking of jackets, let's move on to the outerwear. First, I'll be bringing this hoodie. This is also from H&M. In fact, I'll be wearing this to the airport. I like keeping myself comfortable while flying. So this is outer layer number 1. And for outer layer number 2, I'll be bringing this Ferrari windbreaker jacket. This is also not official merch. In fact, this is just from Shopee. Yeah, looks amazing with the huge Ferrari logo at the back, Ferrari writing at the front, with the major sponsors, Shell, UPS, and even the Scuderia Ferrari logo right here. Despite it being huge, it's also very breathable. It's a great jacket. Together with this, I'll be wearing one of my plain shirts. And last, for the main pieces, let's head to the shoes. For the first pair, I'll be bringing these Nike V5 runners. I also got these in Malaysia. These are probably the best shoes in my collection right now. They are so comfortable, they're versatile, breathable, lightweight. I can wear this all day and my feet would be perfectly fine afterwards. It's like walking on clouds. This is probably one shoe that I recommend everyone to get. And they look really good as well. The white, silver, and the beige makes it go well with everything. And for my second pair, Nike Panda SBs. What can I say about this that you guys don't already know? Everyone and their mom asked this. Yeah, black and white, goes well with everything, comfortable. They're my beaters, if you guys can tell. I wear these all the time. And now moving on, let's head to the accessories. First, I'll be bringing these shades from Sprinto. These kind of look like Oakley Pit Vipers, which are really dope. They're sporty shades, and I actually like these a lot because the entire thing covers my whole field of view. So no matter where I look, I'm fine. But if these end up being too sporty for the outfit that I'm wearing, I also have these. These are also from Sprinto, but these are more casual / semi-formal shades. They actually give me kind of a Tony Stark vibe. Square shape with turtle shell frames, gradient lenses. These look really good. I find these very comfortable. I can wear this all day and my nose, ears are perfectly fine. And then let's move on to the caps, which is probably what you guys have been looking at since the beginning of the video. First off, I'll be bringing this Oracle Red Bull Racing Las Vegas Grand Prix baseball cap from New Era. I got this for Christmas. It's really dope, really comfortable. It goes well with everything, and I love the design. It looks like a slot machine with it spelling ORBR, Oracle Red Bull Racing. I wear this all the time, super comfortable. In Red Bull, I'm a Max Verstappen fan. In fact, Max is like my favorite driver on the grid right now. Next up, I'll bring my Puma Ferrari Charles Leclerc hat. Again, goes well with everything. Black and red is my favorite color combination, and it looks really dope with the Ferrari logo on top, an embroidered 16 in the front with Charles Leclerc's old logo at the back. Looks really good with everything also. In fact, I'm also looking into getting the newer Ferrari hat, but this time for Lewis Hamilton, because it just looks really dope. And yes, in Ferrari, my favorite driver is Charles Leclerc. And third, I have this New Era McLaren Papaya baseball cap, Lando Norris. This is actually not mine. This is my baby sister's. I got this for her for Christmas last year. Again, it just looks really good. It just looks really nice. I got this for her when she was a Lando Norris fan, but recently she's been transitioning to being an Oscar Piastri fan, the current championship leader. I actually don't need to bring all these hats. I just am, because the Delulu side of me is hoping that like one of the days I'm there, something happens, I'm outside or I'm walking around in the mall, and then I end up bumping into them or one of them and I get them to sign it. Yeah. Moving on, I'm also going to be bringing bags. My first bag will be this dumpling bag, actually from TikTok shop. My mom bought this for me. Really good, really comfortable, crossbody. You can't go wrong with it. Carries a lot of stuff. Next up, I'll also be bringing this bag from Viajecito. This is a sling bag also. Square shape, it carries a lot of stuff. It's rubber on the outside and cloth on the inside, so if something spills on it, you can just easily wipe it off. And I attached my Labubu onto it as well. This is bag number 2. And bag number 3 will be this thrifted crossbody messenger bag. This is my favorite bag. It looks like a checkered flag and it's really deep, carries a lot of stuff, and it's really stylish and unique. You can adjust the length depending on how you tie it. And again, it goes well with everything. I like pieces where you can just mix and match them with each other so that you don't need to think too hard anymore on what to wear. I just like things matching. So yeah, this is everything that I'm bringing to Singapore. This might not be a lot because I'm thinking I'll buy stuff when I get there. And in fact, I'm gonna be vlogging the entire thing. So please head down, subscribe to my channel right here, and also click the notification bell so that you get notified when I post my Singapore vlog. And also comment down below. I want to engage with you guys. Who's your favorite driver? How long have you been an F1 fan? And most importantly, do you think Max Verstappen will be able to pull off a 5th World Championship this year? Because in my opinion, this late in the season, if he's able to do that, he will be the GOAT. Crazy. Anyway, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!